Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you 2024.
That's
we are
it.
back,
We are back.
which is good to see, and we're back with a red hot unboxing.
That's it.
All right, so what we've got here, we'll keep this one fairly short and sharp, since it's the start of the year and everyone's on holiday and they don't want to waste time with videos.
You haven't got the energy to do a long one yet.
So we've got in, and this has been a bit of a requested item.
Absolutely it has.
We got in some Asahi dragon coins, dragon rounds, aren't they?
Yes, these ones are rounds. The
wasn't
Asahi's one that I think a lot of our international viewers are probably going to be quite familiar with. And I think probably our local viewers here in Australia will be aware of them as well. But they're not one we see as often in Australia.
We don't ever see them in Australia, I would say.
So it's
Pretty rare.
good to see them through. Yeah, like you said, you hinted at before, a lot of requests for them.
Now, we'll do the reveal at the end.
All right.
So let's get into it and have a look at it. I love these rounds because they're a mix. So you get the frosted finish on this side. I'm not sure which you'd call the reverse and obverse on these, really. So you can see there it's a 1 ounce Troy fine silver coin, so 49 silver, and the Asahi symbol on the front.
Yep.
And then on the other side, we have this incredibly intricate Year of the Dragon design.
Very cool. It feels, I mean, I run into this problem every year because the Perth Mint kind of throws me out, but we're into the new year, but we're technically not into the Year of the Dragon yet, even though it kind of feels like we have been for a few months.
Yeah, and not even till February. It's the Lunar New Year's quite late this year, so yeah, we're going to have to get used to that. But this coin is an incredible design. As you can see, the design itself is quite intricate. Let me just bring that round again. So it's a quite intricate design, gone very much for the pseudo-classical Asian dragon rather than the European one, for obvious reasons. 2024 stamped on the bottom there. And it just looks the bee's knees, but I love the fact that they've gone for a mirrored finish on one side and then the frosted finish on the other.
Something for everyone.
And the thing that I really love about this coin is its price.
Is that your big reveal?
Well, yeah, it is, because stunningly, this is an international, I keep calling it a coin, it is correct, you're correct, it's a round, but it's an international round, and these are a sought after round, and the pricing of it landed in Australia is actually, we're going to be able to sell it cheaper than any other 1 ounce coin or round or bar. It's actually cheaper than the Perth Mint Kangaroo bar, which is the cheapest thing going around at the moment in the 1 ounce size. So the fact that these are so cheap, and they're going to come in at, give or take a little bit, just over that $40 per coin mark Australian, and that's with a price spot at the moment, it's about $34.50-ish. So we're coming in somewhere around about that $6 over spot, which for a 1 ounce,
for a new product,
for an international product in Australia, a new round, it's not a buyback or anything along those sort of lines. It's 1 ounce, so it's on the smaller end of the scale. I'm absolutely spun out by the price.
We've had a few unboxings in the last bit of last year where you kind of said, this isn't one of those ones for,
That's right.
for bang for your buck, you're buying it more for the spice in your stack, things like that. This one's the opposite. This one is a great way to get some individual 1 ounce pieces of silver.
Yeah, it is. It's the cheapest 1 ounce new silver you're going to get. And like I said, the fact that it's international and
that looks cool.
If I can be politically incorrect for a moment, the quality of it, it's still a bullion product, don't get me wrong. It's not a proof product or anything along those sort of lines. The quality of this product at the cheaper end of the market is incredible, and it's head and shoulders over, and people will know exactly who I'm talking about, over some of the other international premium bullion products that we get in that I'm currently arguing with. So just to get this level of quality, bullion product, quality in a cheaper round just really floats my boat. So I've probably gone off long enough. I'm geeking out a little bit. So they are in stock. We only have a limited number. We didn't bring in bucket loads of the things. They will, I'd suggest at this price point, they will go fairly quickly. So if they're in your budget, and let's face it, if you're in the market for 1 ounce silver, $40 is in your budget, or $40 and change is in your budget. grab them while you can, because I know it looks like we've got 1,000 on the desk. I don't know exactly how many I've got in the storage as well, but that sounds like a lot. It's actually not. We will churn through those fairly quickly, so grab them sooner rather than later.
Red hot start to the year of unboxings, Michael. Good stuff.
Great start to the year. Let's hope that this pricing can continue throughout the year with this quality.
That'd be good. We'll see what happens. All right, we will see you in the next video, Michael. Thank you very much.
Good. See ya.